Okay. Could you say something on elephant back right? Oh, now you are Mahout on the neck of the elephant. So this is our guest just to do 1 hour on the elephant back ride. How about Papa and Mama? You enjoy? Good? Da? Okay. This is a friend of mine, right? His name is Da from Elephant Kalian Elephant Camp. This is after done 1 hour. Came back from the jungle. This is we call body massage. Body massage, yeah. If you stay in the city, so that is a foot massage. Foot massage. This is body massage. Elephant massage. Alright, so Papa, Mama out, please. Thank you. Okay, merci. Yep. See you at trekking in Chiang Rai Fan Pek. This is about our trekking with elephant. Savoir? Savoir? Okay. Yeah. Merci, merci. Okay, okay. Merci, merci. We say kokun ka, kokun ka, kokun ka, kokun ka to the elephant, right? Let's go down there and we're going to play with elephant, maybe some banana or sugar cane and a photo frame made by Elephant Poo. It's nice souvenir from Thailand in Chiang Rai City and trekking in Chiang Rai Fan Pek, right? So this is a 1 day our trip with elephant. Alright, so this is the time to play with elephant. Yeah, so this is the photo souvenir. This one is Elephant Poo, the poo over there, made by Elephant Poo Recycle, right? So they made from here. So that's why it's like a souvenir. The photo is not important for you, just only the frame, right? Just take it, they make from here, and otherwise this sum of money they deposit to the elephant, buy food for elephant, right? Like a donation. Yes. Yeah, please explain to Papa and Mama, please. Yeah. The money from here they buy
how much do they
this one. This is actually they will say 150. I will tell him 120. That's how okay now. That's how now. Okay, 120. Yeah, take it, yeah. If you want more, they can make more. Just one. You want more like this? Nice, nice. You see? You're holding your hand like this. So this is our guest time to get their photo. Like a souvenir. After done elephant 1 hour. He is the seller. Alright, so see you at trekking in Chiang Rai Fan Pek, everybody. Have a good time like us.